Hey class, in this video I'm going to show you how to compress a folder before you submit it through Canvas. Let's assume that I have a folder here on my desktop. It's called new folder, and in this folder has my assignment, which is around 9 JPEGs, and it's ready to be submitted. Before you submit any assignment, you have to make sure that each file name is named accordingly based upon the instructions. So in order for me to rename one of these files, I would need to access my secondary menu. In order to access your secondary menu, you have a couple of options. One option is to click on your right mouse button and it'll reveal the secondary menu. That works on Windows and Mac. However, if you're on a Mac and when you click on the right mouse button, or if you're on a laptop and you're clicking on the right area of your trackpad or the right button and it's not revealing this menu, you could alternatively click on the control key on your keyboard and then click on the left mouse button, and then it will reveal the secondary menu. What you need to do is rename each file according to the naming convention of the assignment. So for example, this is assignment 5. I'm going to put my last name underscore first initial, and the assignment may require you to sequence these file names 001, 002, or it may ask you to put part A, part B, or some specific keyword that describes the image itself. Read the instructions and make sure you name each file accordingly. Let's assume that I went ahead and named all of these files correctly. I'm going to go ahead and close this window. Now I need to name my folder with the assignment name and my name as well. So I need to access my secondary menu. I'm going to right click on this, or you can control and then left click and get to the secondary menu. Both operating systems, the Mac and Windows, should have some sort of compression feature. On the Mac it says compress and then the name of the folder, which is called new folder. On Windows it may have something similar, so look for something that will compress the file and create what's called a zip file. But before I do that, I need to rename this folder, and I'm going to give it the standard name A05, which is the assignment, my last name first initial, and usually it's going to be submit, meaning this is going to be submitted to Canvas. Then I can go ahead and compress this, again right clicking to access the secondary menu, or holding the control key and then left mouse button click. I'm going to compress. Now it says here the folder name, which I've renamed. I'm going to click on that and it's going to compress this file, and it's going to create this .zip file. This is what needs to be submitted through Canvas, and this other folder you can keep that for your files, or if this is a copy of an existing folder, you can disregard it. But this is what needs to be submitted, is this one file, one-time upload to Canvas, instead of uploading 9 files one at a time. And that's it. This concludes compressing a folder.